Here is an easy and quick recipe for South Indian style masala chicken drumsticks. I have mentioned the list of ingredients you need on the screen. Start by taking 4 to 6 chicken leg pieces, remove the skin and go ahead and prepare the marinade using the ingredients shown on the screen. Coat the chicken thoroughly and let it rest for overnight or at least about 2 to 3 hours. Heat oil in a pan and fry the drumsticks on medium heat until they turn golden, crispy and irresistible. You can fry these in a non-stick pan or a cast iron skillet. Both work fine, but in my opinion, cast iron gives you a better crust and a deeper flavor. You can always add more flavor by tossing in fresh curry leaves and green chilies. Fry the chicken on medium heat for around 12 to 14 minutes, turning occasionally until the outside is crispy and golden and the inside is perfectly cooked. Serve hot with jeera rice and enjoy every spicy bite. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for taking time and watching till the end. See you next time.